I just build up a spliff and brass it. Rotted, no one's real, all these niggas half-hearted. Roll with 1 or 2 G's in the streets when it really gets peaked, man, they know who's departing. They all dash on the mash, get clarted. On who, little nigga, you retarded. Packs come smelly like someone just farted. Been in a trap, put it on the scales. Breaking my neck in the backseat, I move antsy when they're on my tail. Can't no way, I'm tryna go jail. Never knew I would've flipped this one till I seen myself with the up in Wells. Only time will tell, that's me and my DJ and raise up hell. Young nigga flying them shoots on a pushback. Bad one when I talk about relationship, fuck that bitch, what do I look like? Talk on my batch, little nigga get shook by some Jordans, but your brody took flat. I can never tolerate verbal, they do hurdles when they see man's hood tight. They do anything for the clout. Bitch, I don't want no love and I don't wanna fuck, just use that mouth. Got a call for a 3-1-1, don't say no more, bills you them pounds.
Hindi na nag-run.
If you love your knife, best back your knife and not run your mouth. 15-inch in my trousers, man, pull up and swing this ying or back the brat back, that's a shotgun shower. I got Tommy and force no power, shotty come on like the Eiffel Tower. Chop that down on the short like little man. Pull up on strips, try chinger man, fling it at hats, jump out, try biller man. Late nights tagging up in the bando. Bro just called off the Zanko. Only a matter of time till he's back home. Me and YD back streets, 2 Rambos. Touch him, you ho, stealing your backbone. More than pissed if they boom this bando. Jump out gang with this angle. Jump out gang, swing that at your mangoes.